here is what to do if you cannot visualize, if you cannot see it in your mind, and every time you try, you just feel doubtful. Okay, keep watching. Hello, beautiful creators. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Juliet Cleary. I'm a manifestation coach. And if you're new here and you like the content, make sure to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. If you want a free audio training on how to raise your vibration and 10 times your manifesting power, that's in the description box below for you, completely free. So if you can't visualize, you've been trying and you cannot see it in your mind, because I've had this question quite a few times, so I'm like, I should make a video on it. Honestly, in the beginning, don't even try. Focus on raising your overall vibration, okay? And then when you do visualize, when you do imagine it, just focus on the feeling. Just feel the emotions of it already done, okay? You don't need to see it clearly. You don't need to figure it out, because a lot of times we get into that kind of role of like trying to control the outcome, right? So we're trying to imagine exactly how it's going to happen and what that looks like, or figuring it all out and all the steps. We don't need to do that. But even if you're just at the end result and it's hard for you to imagine, two things. You don't need to see it right now. Just feel it. Even just the emotion of gratitude is enough. So how would you feel if you had it already? And then allow yourself to feel that. And the second thing is, sometimes it takes practice. Sometimes it takes building up that visual muscle. You know, if you're lifting weights for the first time, it's going to be really difficult, right? If you've been doing it for a while, it's easier. So I would suggest play around with imagining it and visualizing yourself being it or doing that thing or having that thing when you're feeling good. A good time to start doing that is during or after meditation, because you've released resistance, you've raised your vibration, and it's just easier. So practice visualizing when you're in a really good mood, when you're in a really good state, a really good mindset, okay? Because then it's easier for you to access those thoughts. But if it's a really, really resistant desire, like you have a ton of doubt, ton of limiting beliefs, and it feels really bad, firstly, just like let it go for a while and again, work on your overall vibration. But then when you do think about it, just focus on the emotions. That's all we're going for here. Emotions are energy in motion. Energy in motion, and everything is energy in our universe, okay? And how we communicate is through our emotions. So your emotional state matters more than your ability to see the specificities, right, of this desire, of this outcome. So just master the feeling of it. That's it. Just reach even for the feeling of relief, the feeling of ease in your life because of this outcome, the feeling of gratitude. That's enough, okay? As you get more aligned, as you raise your vibration more, it will become easier for you to tap into that kind of imagery. Okay, and be more specific. But you never have to get specific. There are so many times where we manifest things, you know, we were not thinking about it at all. We were not focused on it, and you don't need to focus on it. You don't need to try and make things happen. So as long as you're feeling the emotions of the end result, you're doing perfectly, okay? There is no right or wrong, as long as you're feeling good with what you're doing. All right, so if this video helped you, let me know. Give me a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe if you haven't already. And also, if you're interested in some Law of Attraction clothing, I'm actually wearing some right now, the link is in the description box as well. Okay, I'll see you on the next video.